Okay, so we want to show that, like if you want to minimize the residual ax minus y, where y is the data in Rm, and A is a matrix, m by n matrix, and x is a vector in Rn, then what you need to do is just need to solve this normal equation. The normal equation on the left, you have A transpose A for the matrix, and on the right hand side you have A transpose multiplied by the vector y. And now to keep it simple, let me show you how to prove it for the case m equal 3, n equal 2. So in this case, then the matrix A, it just has two columns, A1 and A2. Okay, so A1 is just a 3 by 1 vector, and A2 is a 3 by 1 vectors as well. So now I want to draw pictures. So suppose I draw a plane. Okay, so the plane spanned by the two columns, A1 and A2. So this one is like a column space. The plane spanned by A1 and A2 is a column space of the matrix A. And now I have a vector y. So the vector y is a vector in R3. Yeah. So it will be something like this. So this is my vector y in R3. Yeah. And now I want to find Ax hat, yeah, to minimize the vector Ax minus y. So Ax hat will be in the column space of the matrix A. So Ax hat will be something like this. So this is my Ax hat. So, and I want to minimize the length of the vector Ax minus y. So Ax minus y is this vector. Okay. Then you can see that from geometry, this vectors will be, the length of this vector will be minimized when it's perpendicular to the plane. Yeah. And that is exactly what we want. So we want the vector Ax hat to be the orthogonal projection of the vector y. And then in that case, then we can say that Ax minus y is perpendicular to the column space of the matrix A. And in linear algebra, it just means that, A transpose Ax minus y equals 0. Yeah, because you want this vector is perpendicular, just means the dot product of this vector with every vector in the column space of A equals 0. And this one, when you rearrange it, then you have a normal equation. So this one is X hat, yeah, equal A transpose y. And you see the same ideas will work for any m and n. So then you will have the condition for the vector x hat to be a minimizer of the residual when it solves the normal equation A transpose A x hat equal A transpose y.